Can I send BTC to Kraken wallet? Hook, have you ever wondered if you can send Bitcoin directly to your Kraken wallet? It's a question that often pops up in the minds of cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Let's dive in and find out. Building context. Bitcoin, the pioneer cryptocurrency, has revolutionized the financial landscape. Its decentralized nature and security have made it a popular choice for investors and traders alike. Kraken, a well-established cryptocurrency exchange, offers a secure platform for buying, selling, and trading various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. But can you directly send Bitcoin from your personal wallet to your Kraken account? Let's explore the possibilities. Understanding Bitcoin wallets. Before we delve into the process, it's essential to understand the different types of Bitcoin wallets. There are primarily two categories: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, making them convenient but potentially vulnerable to hacking. They are often used for daily transactions and trading. Cold wallets are offline storage devices, such as hardware wallets or paper wallets. They offer a higher level of security but require more manual steps for transactions. Sending BTC to Kraken, a step-by-step guide. Now, let's assume you have a Bitcoin wallet and want to send funds to your Kraken account. Here's a general guide. Create a Kraken account. If you haven't already, sign up for a Kraken account. Make sure to verify your identity to enable withdrawals. Check Kraken's deposit address, log into your Kraken account, and find the Bitcoin deposit address for your account. This is a unique alphanumeric code that identifies your wallet on the Kraken network. Open your Bitcoin wallet, access your Bitcoin wallet, and select the Send or Transfer option. Enter the Kraken address, paste the Bitcoin deposit address you copied from Kraken into the recipient address field. Specify the amount, input the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Double-check the address and amount before proceeding. Confirm the transaction, review the transaction details, and confirm it. Your wallet will generate a transaction ID, which you can use to track the progress. Security considerations. While sending Bitcoin to Kraken is generally safe, it's crucial to prioritize security. Here are some essential tips. Verify the address. Always double-check the Bitcoin address before sending funds. Even a single typo can result in irreversible loss. Use a secure wallet. Opt for a reputable and secure Bitcoin wallet. Avoid using online wallets that may be compromised. Enable two-factor authentication. 2FA. Add an extra layer of security to your Kraken account by enabling 2FA. This requires a verification code from a separate device, making it harder for unauthorized individuals to access your funds. Be wary of phishing attempts. Be cautious of phishing emails or messages that may try to trick you into revealing your login credentials or private keys. Additional considerations. Network fees. When sending Bitcoin, you'll typically need to pay a transaction fee to miners who process the transaction. The fee varies depending on network congestion. Confirmation times. It may take some time for your Bitcoin transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. The number of confirmations required can vary. Withdrawal limits. Kraken may have withdrawal limits in place, especially for new accounts or accounts with high trading volumes. Conclusion. Sending Bitcoin to your Kraken wallet is a straightforward process that allows you to access and trade your cryptocurrency. By following the steps outlined and prioritizing security, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any further questions or want to learn more about cryptocurrency, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.